All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. Dante, say hi.
Hi.
Getting ready to sand and finish this old floor here in Garden Grove. We were only going to do a home. They're going to sell it. They were hoping to get away with just doing a deep clean, a light sanding, and a new coat of finish. But they put up the carpet and stuff. Let me turn it around. Let's see. You can see all this. So it's, man, you can't see it right now, but you're going to tomorrow. It's a beautiful, solid 3/4 inch thick white oak. Once we sand it, it's probably going to be 10 shades lighter. And these walnut pegs, they're just going to pop out at you. And if it was all like this, we could have probably got away with just doing a deep clean and light sanding, but you've got these areas that aren't going to come out unless we sand it. This area right here, which is the main traffic area going into the kitchen. And here we got about a 3/4 inch height difference in a couple of different rooms, the kitchen, the bathroom. We're going to add some reducer pieces and take care of that. Over here you got some water damage from the years of the bathroom leaking, so that, you know, most of that's going to be gone. We had a termite board here. We're going to take care of that. So once we sand and finish it, it'll be better than brand new. And because of the money that they spent on this, it's a plank look. It's 2 inch, 4 inch, 2 inch, 4 inch. We're pulling up the staples right now. This room, no amount of cleaning would have helped it. It's got the old carpet glue, water damage. So this room would have never, you know, just wouldn't have worked. What's up, Patch, little bro? This room is in okay shape, but once we sand and finish it, it's going to look like a fine piece of furniture. Whew. Yeah, got the walnut pegs all the way around the edge. Even this slate will look better. So stay tuned.